If you are still manually splitting text, retyping names, or fighting with complex left, right, and mid formulas to clean up your messy spreadsheets, stop wasting your time. I'm Jimmy, your Excel ninja, and I'm going to show you an AI like trick built right inside Excel. Instead of writing an impossible nested formula, pull your data into Power Query and click Column from Examples. All you have to do is type out the exact result you want in the first row. For example, if I just want the ID code, I type TXN1001 and hit enter. Look at that. Power Query automatically reads the pattern, builds the background code, and extracts the data for thousands of rows instantly. No formulas, no mistakes, and zero lag. When you click close and load, it drops a pristine data sheet right back into your workspace. Work smarter, protect your time, and let Excel do the heavy lifting. If you would like to master Power Query, unleash the data model, or learn advanced automation secrets to dominate your daily task, head over to your excelninja.com. Leave a comment if you're ready to drop formulas, and I'll see you in the next build.